This is question 12 on the chapter 8 quiz. And we want to find x if we're given that the two pentagons are similar to one another. To do that, I'm going to start off by looking at the area ratio because they give us the areas of both of these figures. So we're going to write it out as 408 over 3,672. Whenever you're given two areas or an area ratio, you should always reduce if possible. This reduces to 1 over 9. Once we have the area ratio, then we need to find the linear ratio because I'm looking for the length of a side. So in doing so, I have to use the linear ratio. If we know the area ratio, to find the linear ratio, I do the square root of the area ratio. So that would be the square root of 1 over the square root of 9, which is equal to 1 over 3. Now that I know my linear ratio, I set up a proportion. The ratio of the corresponding sides, or the linear ratio, is 1 over 3. The smaller side in this case belongs with x, and then the larger side is with 11. So then we cross multiply, and I get 3x is equal to 11. Divide both sides by 3, and I end up with x equals 3.67.